Cyber Online.
Hello everyone, and welcome to this tutorial. In today's video, I'll show you how to properly replace a service valve and a charging valve. We'll go through the process step by step, including the tools needed, proper procedures, and important safety precautions. So, let's get started. Open the service valve cover.
Welcome everyone, come gather around, where inspiration.
If you notice that the inside of the service valve is wet, it may indicate the presence of refrigerant or oil leakage.
And ideas are found, every project starts with a dream.
Next, remove the charging valve cover and set it aside carefully.
Working together as one great team. Simple tips that make life easier. Creative minds growing stronger each year. From beginner steps to expert ways. Let's build something new today. Pick up your tools, let your ideas fly. There's no limit when you give it a try.
Next, connect the charging manifold to the service port. Make sure the remaining refrigerant inside the unit is properly recovered using the appropriate recovery equipment and procedure.
Small step can lead the way to something better every day. Max Cyber, let's create. Build your future, don't hesitate. Ideas, tips, and...
Once the pressure has reached zero, you can proceed with removing both the service valve and the charging valve.
DIY, reach for dreams that touch the sky. Every challenge, every goal, learning together makes us whole. Max Cyber, come along, creating greatness.
Next, using an Allen key, slightly insert it into the valve.
In the songs, need a clever trick or a helping hand.
Then, using a small screwdriver, carefully begin removing the locking mechanism inside the valve.
Guide you through so you understand. Fix it, build it, make it new. There's always something you can.
Be careful when removing the lock, as it may suddenly pop out and fly away. Make sure to work carefully and keep the small part in a safe place, so it does not get lost.
Technology, crafts, and creative fun. Every project has just begun. Learning never has to end. Every viewer is our friend.
Just like this, the lock flew out. Luckily, I was still able to find it. Ha ha ha.
Turn your vision into reality. One idea
Now, let's start removing the service valve using an Allen key. Carefully loosen the valve and remove it from the unit.
Possibility. Keep on learning every day. Together we'll find a better way. Max Cyber, let's create. Build your future, don't hesitate. Ideas, tips, and DIY. Reach for dreams that touch the sky. Every challenge, every goal, learning together makes us whole. Max Cyber, come along, creating greatness.
There, the service valve has been removed. As you can see, the seal is already scratched and damaged, which is likely the reason for the refrigerant leak.
Sing in the song. Every screw, every wire, every spark becomes a fire. Every lesson helps us grow. There's always something new to know. Share your passion, share your smile. Every effort is worthwhile. Side by side we'll make it through, creating something bright and new. Max Cyber, let's create. The perfect time is never too late. Ideas, tips, and
I already have a new service valve prepared here, and it's ready to be installed. Let's proceed with the installation carefully and make sure it is properly seated and secured.
DIY, together we can always try. Build with heart, build with pride. Keep your dreams right by your side. Join our journey, don't delay. We'll keep creating every day. Thanks for watching. Thanks for being here. Your support means more each year. If you enjoyed what you've seen today,
Next, we'll remove the charging valve. Using a valve key, carefully loosen and remove the charging valve from the unit.
So you won't miss what we create as well. Leave a comment, say hello. Tell us what you'd like to know. Until next time, keep creating, keep learning, keep innovating, stay inspired in all you do. The next great project starts with...
There, the charging valve has been removed. Make sure you have a new replacement valve ready before proceeding with the installation.
Thank you for watching Max Cyber. Don't forget.
I already have a new charging valve here, and I'm now ready to install it. Let's carefully fit the new valve into place and make sure it is properly secured.
Get to like, share, subscribe, and turn on notifications. Keep creating, keep learning. And we'll see you in the next video. Welcome everyone, come gather around, where inspiration...
We've now successfully installed the new service valve and charging valve. Thank you so much for watching. I hope this video gave you a helpful idea and a better understanding of the replacement process. See you in the next video.
And ideas are found. Every project starts with a dream.
One important reminder, don't forget to reinstall the lock on the service valve. Make sure it is properly secured before completing the job.
Working together as one great team. Simple tips that make life easier. Creative minds growing stronger.
Thank you so much for taking the time to watch my video. I truly appreciate your support, and I hope you'll continue to support me in my upcoming videos. See you in the next video, guys.
Each year, from beginner steps to expert ways, let's build something new today. Pick up your tools,